Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video, I have explained you that this is the range where the price of silver was moving for quite some time, and once this range break upside, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, this level has not reached since April of 2022 and chances are very high it is coming at a strong support around $24.280. Okay, now this is at this particular level, so we can a bounce back can come from this particular zone. So if this level sustain, probability of going towards a level of $24.567. So once it sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $24.526. Okay, and this is the level we have not seen since April 2022. So probability is very high that we can see it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around 24.709, and from there we can see it can cross this particular zone of around 24.852 to a level of around $25. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain this particular level 25, we can see further upside, because we have seen that this zone, okay, these resistance are already being weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $25.361 to a level of around 25.978, and once it sustain above that particular level, we can see it can cross this particular zone and it can touch a level of around 26.249 and then further upside. Okay, but what we have seen looking at this particular chart, there is a continuous upside, but this upside we have seen it is moving in an ascending order, but it is quite volatile, as you can see looking at this particular range. Okay, so once this range breaks downside, okay, so once this range break downside, we can see it can come towards its next support of around $24.112, and if that level also goes further low, then we can see a level of 23.872. okay, and once it price fall below that particular level, chances are very high we can see a level of $23.536, and once it fall below that level, we can see it can go towards a level of $23.272. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of going towards $22.864 is there. And keep this in mind, once this zone breaks downside, a probability of touching a level of 22.600 is there, and from there we can see a level of $22.522. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see a level of $22.241, and it will come in this particular zone once it fall below a level of $22.241. okay, and once it fall below this level, then we can see it will move in this particular zone. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand something. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. okay, suppose if you took a risk of 100 per trade, so if you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk is $500. so suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss is $500. okay, and this will not affect your psychology. What people do is they lose so much money, suppose 5,000, 3,000, and then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. So what you can do is, if you want to attend that my workshop where I teach how to trade, when to strategically hedge, and all these strategies, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.